Catching fruit flies can be a simple process with the right tools and techniques. Start by identifying the source of the infestation. Fruit flies are attracted to overripe fruits, vegetables, and sugary substances, so ensure your kitchen is clean and free of exposed food. Discard any spoiled produce and wipe down surfaces to remove crumbs or spills. One of the most effective ways to catch fruit flies is to create a homemade trap. Take a small container or jar and fill it with a few inches of apple cider vinegar. Add a drop of dish soap to break the surface tension. Cover the container with plastic wrap and poke small holes in it. The flies are attracted to the vinegar, enter through the holes, and are unable to escape. Alternatively, you can use a funnel made from a rolled-up piece of paper inserted into a jar with a bait such as ripe fruit. The narrow opening makes it difficult for the flies to get out once they've entered. Store fruits in the refrigerator and take out the trash regularly to prevent future infestations. Cleaning drains, where flies often breed, is also important. Maintaining cleanliness and using traps will effectively control fruit fly populations.